Let us do the letter sounds. A says A, apple. B says B, bag. C says K, cat. D says D, dog. E says E, egg. F says F, fan. G says G, goat. H says H, hat. I says I, igloo. J says J, jam. K says K, kite. L says L, lamp. M says mop. N says net. O says orange. P says pan. Q says queen. R says rat. S says sun. T says top. U says umbrella. V says van. W says well. X says fox. Y says yak. Z says zip.